Hey, how's it going there, YouTubers? I'm here at the fish camp, and what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be repairing and repainting the driveway. We have lots of wide cracks and deep cracks. You can see multiple colors. We got some gray in there, we get some blue, we got some tan, got some nice cracks like that. More here. We just have some chunks that are just taken out that busted off when we were cutting lines. First thing I did is I moved everything off the driveway, and then I got the power washer. This is one of the products I'm using, and this is for the kind of big chunks and sections that need to be repaired. And then to fill in the cracks, I'm using this stuff, and both these products were just found at Home Depot. And what I do like about this product is you can actually use the bucket as your bucket. So pretty much just add 3 cups of water to it, mix it up, and then get using it. It does go pretty fast. And what you gotta do is just take some out, fill in the divots. As you can see, I'm doing the same thing with this type of stuff. Just grab a chunk, kind of stick it in there and smush it into place. And then I'll smooth it out, shape it to size, and then take a sponge and make it look all nice and pretty. So that section of the job is really pretty much just like filling in potholes, you know, and just treat it like that. Just fill in the pothole. You're not going to overfill it. You don't want to hump. Just want to kind of pack it in there. Give it one little smooth. Don't try to over smooth it. So I have all the cracks filled. And to answer the question of, well, how many tubes of that stuff do you need? Oop, I just stepped on some. Kind of sticky. So the answer is this driveway about 15 feet long, and one tube will handle one decent sized crack. I have all the edging done, so I'm going to give it a final sweep because there's probably little bits of cement from some of the cracks that I filled, the potholes. So we're going to use a roller to put down the first coat, and all the hard work's really done. First coat is down, and you can still see some blue through there. The first coat really should just be pretty thin, almost like a whitewash. 2 coats, 1 more to go. As you can see, all the real noticeable cracks, potholes are gone. And pretty happy with how it came out.